Uh-huh. Thanks. Yeah, no, I know. I appreciate knowing that the client loved the artwork, and that's what we do here at Pinnacle. Thank you for letting me know. Oh, hi. I'm Joshua Kemble, and I'm the art director here at Pinnacle Designs. We make pins, keychains, magnets, amazing things for our clients, and we do it with an art process that's completely unique to our company and only takes 1 minute. Let me show you right now in this tutorial. Gian.
Yes.
We have a client who needs artwork for a New York soft touch magnet.
Okay.
Do you think you can make that happen?
Our graphic designers first open Photoshop. Next, they create the artwork with meticulous detail at lightning speed. Then, the final stage, they hit print.
Good job.
Well, thank you. I mean, it does mean a lot to us to get another compliment for our artwork. We do have the best artwork in the promotional products industry. Thank you. Yeah, we'll keep making great art. You keep being a great client. Thanks. Bye. How can I help you?
What do you think of this?
The client loves it. Send it to production.
Awesome.
Huh? Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. I know we have a great team. Sure, I'll let the team know. Thank you. Appreciate it.
These are approved for production.
Thank you. Here's a product.
Wow, that was quick.
Pinnacle Express. Quality made quickly.